Here's how to change your filing status on TurboTax. So if you've already started your return, you're going to be somewhere in the steps and process of building out your return and inputting all your information. So you should see this in the sidebar over here, these different tabs, and one of them is My Info. So we're going to click on My Info, and the first part is Your Info, which would be your filing status. So we can click Review or Edit, or click this little drop down if you need to, and go and edit that filing status as well as your info. So it's going to take you through the same questions and give you a chance to edit any information that you've inserted into your info section. And so we can continue on through these until we reach the filing status area. That's in the About Your Household section. So we have single, married, and a lot of different options. And this is your filing status here. And so whatever you select there, whatever you select for dependents will affect the filing status. And so now it'll pop up and say, okay, your filing status is single. And then we can click continue. And then from there, you're going to see filing status single or whatever you changed it to. But that's how you can change filing status on TurboTax.